for the Ranger pickup truck. And we have been producing and exporting Ranger from our Auto Alliance Thailand facility for more than 19 years.
The Ranger continues to be this great success story, this segment-defining truck, and today we take this built Ford truck base and then we overlay it with this wonderful Ford performance DNA to create the ultimate Ranger, the Ford Ranger Raptor. So our Ford performance team have transformed the already, amazingly capable Ranger into an even more super truck. It embodies everything people know and love about the Ranger the world over, and then some.
Performance and racing are deeply embedded in Ford's DNA. Today, that passion for excitement, innovation, and capability lives on in every part of Ford, but most particularly Ford Performance. Something that you will clearly identify in the new Ranger Raptor. It's incredibly special to be able to provide the driving public this experience, the experience of literally flying through the air while screaming around beaten trails of the roughest terrain.
The Ranger Raptor is a truly aspirational product that can do the work around the city, but get the young entrepreneur and his surf gear across the dunes to do the ultimate surf. Or it can take the family businessman around town up to the marvelous forests or temples around Isan in Thailand, where we are now, to provide the ultimate off-road family experience. It will drive immensely comfortably on the road and with fun and confidence off the road, always looking after its passengers. This is the ultimate off-road adventurer for the aspirational driver.